Hello, Spaght Tigers. Welcome to our final special winter break edition of the Spaght Science and Communications podcast. I'm Clement.
And I'm Betsy. We hope you enjoyed your winter break. Stay tuned for this week's DIY science activity or our STEM question of the week and the announcement of last week's winner by Mr. Moore.
Just a quick reminder, we'll be back at school on Monday, January 6th. We're excited to see you all and get started with the brand new year.
Also, mark your calendars for Friday, January 10th, because we'll be celebrating the second quarter awards assembly. We can't wait to see all the amazing Tigers being recognized for their hard work.
Now it's time for the Spaght Podcast Science Fact of the Week. Did you know that some animals, or Arctic foxes, change their fur color in the winter?
That's right. Their fur turns white to blend in with the snow, which helps them stay safe from predators and sneak up on prey. Nature's just so smart. Next up, let's hand it over to the Spaght Logic crew for this week's DIY experiment. Make sure you have your parents' permission before trying this at home.
Up next, we're making something weird and fun called oobleck. It's a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it acts like both a solid and a liquid. Here's what you need: cornstarch, water, a bowl, and food coloring if you want to make it colorful. Start by pouring 2 cups of cornstarch into a bowl. Okay. Next, slowly add 1 cup of water and stir it together. You might need to mix with your hands. It's a little messy. Add a few drops of food coloring if you want to make it colorful. Mix it all in. Now poke the oobleck with your hands. What do you feel? It's like a liquid. But what happens when you punch it or squeeze it? It acts like a solid. That's because oobleck changes its behavior depending on how much pressure you put onto it. Have fun playing with it, experimenting. Just remember, oobleck can get messy, so keep it in a bowl. Let's keep it. Oobleck is so cool because it acts like both a solid and a liquid. It's a perfect example of how science can be messy, fun, and amazing all at once. And now here's Zion from Ms. Garcia's class with this week's Spaght Podcast, the winter break STEM question of the week. Don't forget to text your answer along with your grade and teacher's name by Sunday for a chance to win a science kit.
Hi, Spaght Tigers. It's Zion here with one more chance for you to win a cool science kit. Listen closely, because this winter trivia question could make you the next winner. When you know the answer, text it to Mr. Moore at 1316-302-4712. Don't forget to include your name, your teacher's name, and your grade. If you get it right, your name will go into a drawing and the winner will be announced on next week's podcast. Prizes will be handed out when we return to school on January 6th. Here's a question. Can you name at least one animal that hibernates during winter? Take your best guess and don't forget to text Mr. Moore with your answer. Good luck, Spaght Tigers, and happy winter learning. Bye for now.
Let's toss it over to Mr. Moore, who will announce the winner of last week's STEM question of the week. Take it away, Mr. Moore.
Hey everyone, big news. I'm back to announce the winner of last week's Spaght Winter Break STEM question of the week. But first, yep, I'm a lemon with arms and legs. The good news, I've made progress since last time, and I can finally move around. The bad news, well, let's just say my science experiment to fix myself ended up with me as part of a balanced breakfast. Now let's move on to the real reason we're here. This week's prize is the National Geographic Mega Fossil Dig Kit, and I've got the wheel all set up to spin. Let's just carefully hit the button with these brand new lemon hands. And the winner is Aubrey from Miss Centeno's class. Congratulations, Aubrey. Enjoy your fossil adventure. Don't forget to share what you discover. For everyone else, don't worry. There's still a chance to win this week's competition. Keep those STEM answers coming and enjoy the rest of your winter break. As for me, I'm crossing my fingers that I'll be back to my normal self by next week. If not, well, at least I've got my hands back. See you all soon.
Thanks for joining us today, Spaght Tigers. Enjoy the rest of your winter break and get ready to start 2025 off strong.
Don't forget to tune in next week to find out who won the science kit. See you Monday, Spaght Tigers. Stay curious and have fun. We'll see you next time on the Spaght Science and Communication Podcast. Bye for now.
Bye for now. Bye.